Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu. I hope my sound and video is clear. And then let's hop on and see what we can take advantage of today. I see you've got a Abdullah here. He wants us to take a look at NAS 100. And let us break it down and see what we can take advantage of. Okay. NAS 100, it's still in the area. Still in the area from yesterday. Still a valid setup. But I think what we can do now is probably refine it to the finest tune. We are bearish overall. Higher time frame. So we can refine it to the lowest. Okay, there we go. So we had a nice BOS here, which means this could be a potential area to work with. Although there is some liquidity here, so we should be very careful of that. But I will stick to that over there. And if you've got the Wushu, you can literally just input the setups, and then you'll have a beautiful, beautiful entry at that point over there. So you'll have a setup that looks like this. And then, of course, it is agreeing with the higher time frame structure. So you have something along these lines going to the bottom side, of course. There you go. We can move the stop just a little bit up, so we can accommodate everything there. So this is how our US 100 would look for the day. So let us see if it does trigger, if it does work in our favor, and then if it does, then beautiful. I will also input it on my Wushu on the side here, and then should have a decent setup in here. Remember, the Wushu will basically wait for price to get into the stop loss range, and then once it does, then it will place the trade. 50% into the range, so it's not just gonna place a blind trade. There we go. Perfect. So we are sorted with this one. And if you did watch the full analysis on from yesterday, this is the overall higher time frame structure that we are looking at from this point all the way down. And then of course looking at taking this liquidity that's just sitting here at the bottom. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, so that'll be our US 100 setup. Next pair, do drop your pairs on the side there, and then I can definitely take a look. Let me also send it onto my Discord on the side here. Okay, beautiful. Next setup we're looking at would be gold. Let's take a look at gold. Always starting with the daily. We had a nice whooshy hedge on gold yesterday, yielding us, I think it was 0.8%. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. The 4 hour has in store for us. Just hold on. I'm trying to see your comments as well. There we go. Hop onto the 4 hour, see what we have here. Yeah, my network has been acting up lately. That'll be fine. Just a refresh. Okay. I don't know why it's so slow now. Oh, what's happening? There we go. Okay, there we go. We are back. I see we've got Yorick wants us to look at German 30. We'll definitely do that. Good morning, Yorick. Sorry, we were on gold. Man, trading views acting up on me. Okay, so on the hourly with gold, we are going to find a decent area that we'll be trading from, which would be this one right here. There we go. Things are just so slow, guys. Very slow. Okay. This one was taken, and there's some liquidity at the top here. This candle here is one on the 15 that I'll probably also consider, but I'll just stick to the hourly one and then trade from it. So look at something along these lanes. I need one more pair from you guys. There we go. Yeah, looking at a entry point right there. I'll input onto the Wushu as well. There you go. Perfect. So that'll be gold. And then from Yorick here, let me just add an alert here, because I actually want to be notified when price does get that close. So I'll have an alert right there. And then US 100, I've already placed this one. Have an alert there. And let's look at what it wants us to look at. There we go. So start with the daily as usual. Try pick out what's happening. We had the setup yesterday, but it never really came through, so we'll let it be. So now we see we've got a nice BOS over here, so which means this will be the candle we'll be working with, and it's gonna go back to the very same setup we're looking at. But let's see what the lower time frame structure has in store for us with a nice BOS over there. So I'm just going to remove this daily for now and just focus on the 4 hour and the hourly. So we have this one on the 4, and I've got this BOS right here. So we should have something as well in the hourly. So 4, I'm just going to minimize to that area there, and then have our area of interest right there. So it will look something like that. Of course, going to the upside, and then what we'll do, I'm just going to look at this lower time frame as well. Look at the 15, see if I can't find a move inside the lower time frames here. We've got a BOS here, we've got market, okay, no, sorry, 5 minute. Okay. Nope. We're going to stick to the 4 hour. So we're going to stick to this setup. I'm going to stick to that setup right there. Have an alert, of course. Now when price does get into that area, we will try to take advantage. And it will look something like that. Fantastic. Just going to mark it as well. I am going to hop off shortly. If you guys have questions or another pair, then do drop it, and then I'll definitely take a look. Okay, US 30, the 4 hour is looking pretty neat. This is an area I would want to be watching on the 4 hour. So I am going to have an alert as well on this one. I'm going to have a beautiful alert right there. Somebody was suggesting the other day that I should actually consider maximizing on my indie setups, because mostly I get like massive swings in there, and we end up getting huge R setup, and I think I just don't want to have to be limited to them. Never really liked trading them, but they've been working out quite well for me recently. So I do take advantage. I take full swing when I'm in a good streak. I don't waste time. So we'll have something that looks like that on US 30. So I did have my alert right there. And then I'm going to hop onto a lower time frame, see what US 30 has in store inside. Nothing there. Nope, nothing there. Let's take a look at the 5. Okay, so that we're gonna ignore, and that's about it for this live. I will be doing some more, and then see if I can find something laying in there and drop it onto our advanced signals channel. So do check out our Wushu, check out our bootcamp, and of course check out our signals. Other than that, happy trading. Do manage your risk.